Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi, introduce my name is triyanida Yunita. I'm from 9B grade. I will pancake food.
Ingredients: sugar, flour, egg, baking powder, and water. How to make pancakes? 1. Enter 50 tablespoons of flour. 2. Put 1 egg. 3. Then enter 20 tablespoons of water. 4. Put in the baking powder and sugar. Stir for 5 minutes or until there are no lumps in the dough. 7. Put the butter into the pan. Pancakes ready to serve.
So many cooking video for me. Please try. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.